use it with the slow beat as a replacement of the slow beat. So, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama. I'm playing it quite fast already, but that's where you'll use it. So some people do it like every other. So one time they do the first one and then next time. And you kind of got to feel it, in the Kirtan. But prefer not to use it, I would say, because, there's something about simplicity in Kirtan. It's more relatable to for the audience. I feel like people prefer simple, because most people aren't musically, skilled, so. But there's a time and place for all of that. Alright, so I'll show it to you slowly. So, that's still pretty fast. That's the decoration. I'm combining both of them. The decoration and the slow beat. You want to try that one out? Just the decoration? You want to try the decoration out? Yeah. And remember, for the slow beat, two of them are going to be closed. So you don't want to do that. And there's a time for that too. There are probably some kirtans where I'll work, but you want to do. You can make a nice, clear, closed sound. Okay. You know this one, right? It's kind of fast, so if you don't get it right away, it's alright. Nice. Alright. That's clear. So it's in the recording as well. I can send the recording in the group chat. Yeah. Any other questions? Is there anything you would like to learn specifically tonight? Alright. Yeah, and for sure we're going to do a similar thing tomorrow. So if there are beats that, yeah.
I find myself just, I don't know if this is bad Kartal playing, but I find myself like on the top a lot.
On the top, right? Yeah, no, that's cool.
It's a different style.
Yeah, no, that's fine.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, she was saying that she plays on the top a lot. That's just another way of playing. I didn't want to show it right now because it can get confusing. But some people do the same stuff on the top. So they do close, open. It's the exact same thing, but you play on the top of the left kartal.
But the beat would be different. The sound coming out.
It would be softer usually.
It'll be softer. It's good for bhajans, you're sitting down, it's quiet, bhajan. That would be the fast beat. And you probably play it when it doubles, right? When it speeds up. Is that when you play it? Yeah, so that'll be the fast beat. So it'll be like, yeah, so it'll be like, so I'll play that a little bit. One second. Can we stop playing cartoons just for 1 second? Yeah. Alright. It's alright. We're all eager to learn. 1 sec, Sheila. Alright. So yeah, you just you want to because you were starting on 3-4-1. You're going but it's actually just it'll change like the way you think. That's important, you know.
Yeah, even the slow beat, I start somewhere else and you show it in the
Right, and even like I've seen videos online, and they, you send me some videos, and they always say it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. It's not like that, and it will help you when you're approaching a tune and a difficult tune to play for, and so yeah. Okay. So we have some time. Any other requests? Otherwise, we can learn one last beat.
Yeah, can you add the Jatini?
Yeah, so let's learn the Jatini. So it's Matan. Everyone look, Matan. The second one. Yeah. Jatini. So it's the same as the fast beat, except there's no gap. So normally we're doing that, but now we're doing that, that. So let's try that low. Let's try that slow right now. It's recording, right? Yeah. It's close. It's just like the fast beat. So the same note you roll for the fast beat, you can write that for the matan. Is that clear to everyone? So in this case, 1 second. So in this case, the jaw's going to be closed and the tini is going to be open. So, yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, and then how to apply this. So I'll just sing. I'll show you guys how to apply it. And you can play along if you like. So the same thing, Nita Gora Haribol, we're doing, 1 second. Yeah, I'm not getting the tune right.
first, and then come in with the Kartal.
So Hare Krishna, Krishna. Yeah, keep that. It'll actually be like faster. I don't expect you guys to get this backward. Alright guys, thank you so much.
Are you ready for tomorrow?
I'm ready.
I'm sure you need detox.
Oh yeah. No, it was good. I was happy. There's like science that says like a human mind can only concentrate for 15 minutes. We went for an hour and a half. So thanks guys.